Alright folks, you guys got a Husqvarna weed whacker with the angle one. If you want to change the weed whacker head to a different model, different brand, and you look on YouTube and it tells you to stick a pin in the locking something, not in this model, right? When you have the angle one, it looks like there's nothing that you can stick anything into. But you know what? You see this? This is square, like a socket head, for a reason. What they want you to do is grab this with a nice pair of channel locks and then give this here a spin counterclockwise. Okay? Even though this thing looks like it's buttered up against there and looks like it's one piece, it is not. Just grab that and spin this, and this will come right off. Alright? Once it comes off, then you can continue to do what you want to do. Alright? But that's how you get it off. Alright? That's it. Ciao.